Hello again, everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make heart-shaped sushi. So here we have all the pieces we need to make the perfect heart-shaped roll. Here we have our base, our top, the frame, the rod for packing the rice down, our trusty professional grade knife, ingredients of our choice, water, the rice spatula and the rice spreader, seaweed, and rice. So first what we're gonna do is take our cute little base and sort of eyeball how much rice we need. So our pan is about the same width as our base, which is very convenient. And it extends to like this far. So I'm gonna cut along that line. So we have our rice measured out. Next, now that our base is free, we're gonna put the frame over it and start with the seaweed. The seaweed goes at the bottom, just in the middle, just like this. Now we're ready to put the rice in. And just scoop out nice and easy. It's packed really tightly, so it'll all come up in a nice line like this. And we're just gonna plop it down. And then use your trusty little rice spreader and spread the rice out. So once you get one side down really firmly, just spin it around, get the other side. And if you have any trouble with the thing sliding around, you can use your rice paddle here and just firmly plant it down so that nothing moves around when you're trying to spread it out. You can put these down, and this is what it looks like. Okay, next, we take the rod, pre-greased, and we're just gonna plant it right in the middle of the rice to create a groove for our ingredients. So you can push down firmly, and then we'll pull it back out. And then we have this awesome groove to put all of the ingredients in. Start with cucumber. See how nicely they fit into this little groove here? Okay, there goes the fish. And all of it's very firmly packed in there. You're gonna take your little spreader again, and you're gonna cut another strip of rice that's the same width as the last one. And this rice, you're just gonna put right on top of your ingredients to close everything up. And firmness, again, is key. So we're just gonna push down and pack everything together. All right. And now we're gonna close her up. What we're gonna do is take one side of the seaweed, flatten it down, and then the other piece of seaweed, just fold it over. And for the seaweed to stick, you're gonna wanna wet the end of it. You can either wet the end or you can wet underneath. It's really up to you. Plant it firmly. And finally, to complete the heart shape, you take the top of the mold. Just gonna put it right over there and push down. You'll pull her off. You see you have this nice crease up the top, so that will be the top of the heart. And then you start to cut the individual pieces. So you'll start at the top of these grooves, you'll go slowly down, just going back and forth. You don't want the seaweed to rip open on top, so you need to go slowly. And once you've worked through the seaweed, push all the way down, and then slide out, just like that. And then you'll go down the row, just like that. Through the seaweed, and down, and out. Back and forth. We're gonna take our top again, and reshape our sushi. Just reconstitute that heart shape. So push down, firmly again. Okay, and the reveal. Ah, it's beautiful. See that? This is gonna be a heart. Okay, so next, we're gonna take off the frame. Just make sure your sushi stays down so it all comes out in one nice big heart log. There goes the frame. Voila! Okay, then you're gonna flip this upside down on a new plate. Let's get that out of the way. More magic. All right, here we go. We're gonna flip it upside down and squeeze the sides of the base to get it to open. Haha, and now we get to look at it. Flip it over. Oh, they're so cute. Kawaii ne. So now you have a little heart-shaped sushi. So now I hope that all of you lovebirds out there go and try. Or friends, family, whatever. Everybody loves these. They're huge hit at parties. Oh, they're so good. I recommend, here we have soy sauce, some ginger, wasabi. Eat to your liking, dip, and enjoy.